Are you ready to elevate your cooking with cast iron? Discover the best affordable options on Amazon that won't break the bank. Cast iron is celebrated for its durability, heat retention, and non-toxic qualities. Here's why it should be your go-to cookware. First, cast iron skillets maintain a steady temperature, ensuring perfect sears and crusts. They last for generations with some care. Unlike non-stick pans, cast iron features a natural surface that's safe and improves with use. Plus, they work well on all heat sources. Now, let's dive into our top 6 affordable cast iron pots and pans on Amazon, starting with the Lodge 10.25-inch pre-seasoned cast iron skillet. Priced around $25, it boasts a 4.8 rating from over 90,000 reviews, making it reliable and perfect for anything from bacon to cornbread. Next, there's the Victoria 12-inch cast iron skillet for about $30. It has a larger cooking area and is pre-seasoned with non-GMO flaxseed oil. The Utopia Kitchen 3-piece skillet set is a great entry option at around $35. It features 3 sizes, providing fantastic value for new cooks. For baking enthusiasts, check out the Bruntmore 5-quart Dutch oven for $45. It's great for stews and bread, enhancing your kitchen capabilities. Looking for a complete cookware solution? The Amazon Basics 5-piece set includes everything you need for $80, ideal for starters. Finally, consider the Cuisinelle 12-inch skillet with a glass lid for about $35. It's perfect for one-pan meals. When selecting cast iron, aim for 10 to 12 inches for your main skillet. Most come pre-seasoned, making them ready to use. To maintain your investment, follow simple care tips. Clean while warm, dry immediately, and store properly to prevent rust. In conclusion, quality cast iron can enhance your cooking without a hefty price tag. Choose the right fit for your cooking style and start creating delicious meals today.